Hello plus 2 class students. So as you all know, CBSE has deleted some topics of chemistry from plus 2 class, and here is chapter wise list of these deleted topics, and you can see clearly the chapter number 1 solid state. The deleted topics are electrical and magnetic properties, band theory of metals, conductor in semiconductors and insulators, N and P type semiconductors. So these topics have been deleted. And from the second chapter, solution, abnormal molar masses and Van't-Hoff factor I and abnormal molar masses, these two topics have been deleted. And from third chapter electrochemistry, lead accumulator, fuel cell, जो cells हैं lead accumulator, fuel cell, corrosion, law of electrolysis, dry cell, electrolytic cell and galvanic cell, these are deleted. So from fourth chapter chemical kinetics, concept of collision theory and activation energy, Arrhenius theory. So these topics are not there now. Fifth chapter surface chemistry, emulsion, types of emulsion, catalysis, homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis, activity and selectivity of solid catalysts, enzyme catalysis. So these are the topics which are not now in your syllabus. And from sixth chapter, the entire unit have been deleted. The sixth chapter, general principles and processes of isolation of element, the whole chapter is not there now in your syllabus. And the seventh chapter, p block elements. So the topics which are not there now are preparation and properties of phosphine, sulfuric acid, industrial process of manufacture, oxides of nitrogen, phosphorus, allotropic forms, compounds of phosphorus, and preparation and properties of halides and oxoacids. So these are the topics which have been deleted. And from 8th chapter, D and F block elements, the topics are chemical reactivity of lanthanoid, actinoid, electronic configuration, oxidation state, comparison with lanthanoids, preparation and properties of KMnO4, K2, Cr2O7. So these are the topics which are not now in your syllabus. And 9th chapter coordination compound, structure and stereoisomerism, importance of coordination compounds, extraction of metal and biological system. ये जो topics हैं वो अभी आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. द 10th चैप्टर हेलो एल्केन्स एंड हेलो एरीन्स, uses and environmental effects of dichloroethane, trichloroethane, tetrachloromethane, iodoform, freons, DDT. These are actually deleted. These topics have been deleted. And from 11th chapter alcohols, phenols and ether, uses with special reference to methanol and ethanol. So ethanol और methanol का जो uses है, these have been deleted. And 12th aldehyde and ketone and carboxylic acid, it is as such there, no changes there in the 12th chapter. And 13 amine, from amine, diazonium salt, preparation, chemical reactions and importance of synthetic organic chemistry. So ये नहीं है अभी topic. And after this the 14 unit biomolecules, ओलिगोसैकेराइड्स, जिसमें आ जाता है सुक्रोज, लैक्टोज, माल्टोज, पॉलीसैकेराइड्स, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, vitamins, classification and function, enzyme, hormones, elementary idea, excluding structure. So these topics are no more there in your syllabus. And the 15th chapter polymer is entirely deleted. Whole chapter has been deleted. And in the same way 16th chapter chemistry in everyday life, entire chapter have been deleted. So this is the summary, this is the chapter wise list of deleted topics of plus 2 class chemistry. And after that there is a marks distribution scheme for the final examination which will be there. The marks distribution, chapter wise marks distribution, or you can say the list is given there. And you can see clearly the first 5 chapters, solid state, solution, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, these first 5 chapter actually total 23 marks. The questions of 23 marks will be asked in final examination from first 5 chapters, and there is a list of number of periods which may be used. 8 8 8. This is not that much important, but the marks distribution is important. That from first 5 chapters, 20 questions of 23 marks will be appeared in your final examination, and after that next 3 chapters, P block elements, D and F block elements, coordination compound, next 3 chapters, from next 3 chapters, so 19 marks question will be there. And after this, 1 2 3 4 and 5, next 5 chapter means haloalkanes, haloarenes, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, amines, biomolecules. From these 5 chapters, the questions of 28 marks will be there in final examination. So if you add these 3, then you will get 70. So तो टोटल है जो वो 70 मार्क्स के जो क्वेश्चन होंगे आपके, एंड इस 70 मार्क्स में से ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है चैप्टर वाइज, ये हमारी इधर दी गई है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द चेंजेस विच CBSE हैज़ डन, एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.